Alt-R.
Hello, my name is Nate Kile, and I work at the Alaska Center for the Blind and Visually Impaired, and I'm also part of the Your Tech Vision team. Today, I want to cover going over selection of non-contiguous files. This can be helpful in the event you have a folder where you need to select several different items in there, and they may not be perfectly lined up by date or by alphabetical order. And so rather than selecting and copying a file and then going and pasting it somewhere and then coming back and grabbing the next one, this is a way that you can select them non-contiguously. I've created a folder, and we're going to go ahead and get over there.
Test folder to move to an item.
It's called test folder. And currently
Using Elixir with G.
I'm on a file, and I've arrowed down to that file. So it is selected right now. It's already highlighted. So I could copy this right now with Control C. It would copy it to my clipboard, but I want to select some other files as well. So in order to kind of create this as that anchor where I want to start my selection from, I'm going to press the Control key, and I'm holding it down, and I'm not going to let it go until I have all of the files selected that I want. So I'm going to arrow up twice.
Not selected Theseus left. Not selected the 1920s.pptx. Not checked.
Okay, and so I'm holding down my Control key still, and to select this one, I'm going to just tap the space bar.
Control space. Not checked selected.
And so it has checked that one now. So currently I have 2 files selected. I'm going to arrow up again 2 times.
Not selected Solvit. Not selected Revolution 2 notes.docs. Not checked.
And I'm still holding my Control key, and I'm going to tap the space bar on this one.
Control space. Not checked selected.
And so now I have 3 files that are highlighted. I'm going to let go of my Control key because I don't need to select any more files. And now I'm going to do my copy to clipboard command, which is going to be Control C. I pressed it. I don't have my verbosity up, so it didn't announce it. Normally it may say copied to clipboard. And now I'm going to go to the folder where I want to move all 3 of these files.
Not Paley. Testing 1, 2. Checked. Enter. Shell folder view. Items view list box.
So now I'm in this folder, and when I paste, I should have 3 files here.
Not checked. Items view multi-select list box. Not selected Revolution 2, the 1920s.ppt. Using Elixir with gmail.docs.
And they're all there on only those
The 19 Revolution
3 files. And so that's how you would select non-contiguous files in a folder in order to paste them easier. All right, well, thank you for joining me, and feel free to check out more videos from Your Tech Vision.
Meeting controls to move to an item.